Hello and good morning and welcome to the Architect Weekly Updates, episode number 4. The Architect AI had another good week. We closed this week with a 0.78%, so we're getting close to the 1% weekly. A total of almost $140 in profit. 6.83 lot size were used in trading and there were 154 trades, including one that happened today, so this must have been the Bitcoin chopper from Big Money. Overall this month we're at 2.36%, $452, and over 500 trades happened. And since I opened this EA, we have a gain of 13.6%, $1,639, and close to 3,000 trades. And looking at the results for this year, we had a great first month, over $700 in profit. Then we had a bad second month with a 7% stop loss, which ended up having a minus $523, and then 523 profit the following month in May. So overall, the profit was the profit from March, from June, $400, and from July, as of now, $450. And looking at the percentage, 5.75, minus 3.3, 4.78, 3.61 in June, and now we're at 2.36, with having every chance of increasing over 3 this month. And this is the most complex EA that I have, trades in a lot of pairs, and including these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and another 3, 6, 9, 12, 14. And before I go on the MT5, don't forget to trade the Architect EA. You're gonna need a good broker, and IC Trading is one of the best. You can trade Forex, you can trade commodities, you can trade crypto, indices, and stocks here. You can do copy trading as well. And of course, it uses on a very popular MT5 platform. If you wanna open an account with IC Trading, just click the link on the description, and by doing that, you're actually helping this account grow. We had many trades, of course, over 150 trades, so I'm not gonna go through all of them. Many different strategies. Here's the M5 scalper with the 3 levels closed in the same time, overall in a nice $1.5 profit. A lot of vigorous trading, quite a few of the Big Money Bitcoin chopper. We had also this Lepsky new strategy. This is on the DAX in this case, with a nice profit. It's a scalper, a lot of vigorous AI, of course, quite a few scalper X trades, quite a few vigorous AI. I'm not going to go through all of them. And the biggest volume was 0.1, because actually the Lepsky, the indices scalper, is using 0.1 as a starting lot size. And except that, I can see here a 0.5 on the vigorous AI. There were 3 trades that were closed. And actually this is nice because 2 of these trades were open on the 14th of July. And the third one also on the 22nd of July. And all 3 were closed on the 23rd of July in an overall profit. And in this case, the swap was actually positive. So a lot of trades with really small lot sizes. That's a typical characteristics of the Architect. And I always like checking if the Architect has closed some of the older trades, like opening before July, like in June or in May. And it seems this week it did not, but it closed a lot of the active trades and the more newer trades. So more of in and out trading for this week. Since I started this EA, it produced $2,722, but of course there were quite a few swap fees and commissions, over $900 in commission. So the overall profit is $1,663. And I've discussed a little bit last time about this new strategy, this Lexi indices strategy. On this pair, it produced $5, on the Dow Jones, $7, NAS, $10, S&P 500, $5, $6 here. So it's producing slow and steady profits. And let's not forget the small account. It had a slower week, close to $20, 0.38 profit. And this month, 1.66 profit, with a total of 150 trades. And if you want to purchase it or test it, you can go and responsibleforextrading.com, Ryan's website, and on the Architect Algo, the AI-powered adaptive build for long-term consistency. And my recommendation is always see the verified results. I always appreciate when a developer has this on its website, because you can see real accounts with real money, and you can see the real results here. In this case, you can see the Powerhouse EA, and on the right side, the Architect Algo EAs, with a lot of options and variables that you can use in setting up the Architect. And just to let you know, the Architect can do much more than I'm presenting here. I'm using, you can say, maybe 50% of the capability of the Architect, but I like using it at a safer level as much as possible, because this big account is over $16,000 in this one. But there are many people using the Architect in small $1,000, even $500 account with a higher risk and definitely higher percentage of winning. To find more about this, you should definitely go on the Ryan's Discord channel. You're going to find a lot of useful information there. And of course, if you want to purchase it, there's a link in the description And by doing that, you're helping this account grow. Much appreciated. A pretty good week for the Architect EA, close to 0.7% in a week. So we have a good chance of closing this month in a high. Definitely, there are quite a few open trades on the euro-dollar pair. And most of the trades that are still open are following the strengthening of the dollar that happened in the last couple of months. With a change in trend there, quite a few of those trades will close and this account will look hopefully much better. If you like the video, then like the video. Feel free to ask me as many questions as you would like in the comments. And if you like this Architect series, you can watch the Powerhouse weekly series and the Market Master Duo and the Market Master weekly series that you can find in the playlist in my YouTube account. And hopefully from next week, I will be able to add 2 more weekly series. So we're gonna have 5 in total. I'm gonna add the Japan Strike and the multi-pair. I've been trading these EAs with real money for over a year. In this case, they are trading on MT4. And if you're interested about what sort of results have those 2 EAs delivered in the last year, just watch the weekly episodes from next week. I wish you a very profitable week ahead.